Hi everyone, Alex Tardy here with Weather Echo. We're watching the clouds form, just like we did back in early June. What's happening? We got tropical moisture coming up from the south. No, these are not thunderstorms or a hurricane moving up from the Baja. It's a weather system that is generally cloud-free, but it's going to work with the monsoonal flow, which has deep moisture in it just across the border. And as it moves up from the south through tonight and Friday, we're going to look for showers and thunderstorms developing. Now, one of the trickiest things with these type of weather systems is that the clouds or the thunderstorms are not rooted in the area that we live in here, the boundary layer. They're not rooted over the mountains. They can form anywhere and they can move anywhere and stay together. So a lot of times you'll hear, well, there might be just a shower, but no lightning. But that's not necessarily the case with these type of storms, just like we saw early June. So enjoy. We might even have some nighttime lightning activity to watch. Now, the exact track of this system that comes up from the Baja will determine where any heavy rain falls, where any lightning occurs. A lot of places will only have just a little bit of light rain. Other places could have a brief heavy downpour. By the way, this disturbance that's coming up from the south, it formed from thunderstorms over Mexico. Yes. So the monsoon's been suppressed. We haven't had any monsoon flow, and thunderstorms have been occurring day after day after day over Mexico. That's where this formed. So it's not a tropical cyclone remnant. It's not a Pacific system coming from our westerlies like we saw in early June. It came from thunderstorms over Mexico. So very interesting scenario. These are challenging to forecast, to say the least. They do produce lightning. They can also produce heavy rain. It's not a dry lightning necessarily type of scenario, but our vegetation is very dry. So any lightning strike could cause a new wildfire. So keep an eye on the sky. Watch the changes in the clouds. You can see some of the mid-level clouds starting to form. These are clouds and these are precipitation cells that form above the ground. So they don't need sunshine and they don't need mountains. All right. Thanks for joining, everyone.